How to fix Leagues of Legends unable to successfully update because a file is currently in use error. First step, close all Riot and Leagues of Legends process. Open up Task Manager under the Process tab. End all Riot related process. Search it and end the task. Second step, open up Riot Client. Click it. Click Profile icon. Click Settings. This page will appear. In this, click Leagues of Legends. Scroll down. Click Repair and start repair. Wait for some time. Is actually verifying your game file. Once complete, after a pop-up will appear successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Open up this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Click Properties. Click Tools. Click Check and click Scan Drive and wait for some time. Is actually verifying your C drive. Successfully scanned. No error were found. Close it and move on with next step. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right click. Click Properties. Click Compatibility. Enable Run the program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. The next step, delete Riot Client caches. Search for run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Scroll down. Search for Riot Games folder. Click it. Delete the Riot Games or Riot Client caches folder. Open up Leagues of Legends. If there is any cache folder available means delete it. Open up Riot Client and delete the caches. And move on with next step. Open up Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot Client and Leagues of Legends. You should enable in both private and public. If it's not having means click Allow another app in the bottom side. Scroll down and search it. If it's not having means click Allow another app. Click Browse. Go to C drive. Riot Games. Leagues of Legends. You get the Leagues of Legends application. Click Add and enable both private and public. After completing, click OK in the bottom side and close it. Next step, search for run and type the following text: msconfig. Click OK. Click Services tab. Hide all Microsoft services, disable all. Click Apply and OK and restart it. After restart, click Settings. Click Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and reset your device. Thank you.